My name is Justin Willis. I have been at ReadyCare for going on 14 years, and I am the VP of Sales over the Health Club division. Today we're talking about some of our favorite products, and one of my personal favorite products is the ReadyWipe 2. It was actually designed originally to be a cost-effective alternative to some of the other leading brands in the market. What I really enjoy about it is the non-alcohol-based formula. This is really important because it allows your members to continuously clean your equipment while not damaging your screens, not breaking down your vinyl on your equipment. But in addition to that, it also comes along with an odor neutralizer, which means that every time somebody is wiping down your equipment, they're also putting a protective layer of odor neutralizer. So that's a really great thing, especially in your gym settings where you might have that musty smell come up over time. The other side of that is it's cost effective, which I kind of always gravitate towards, as we all know that the cheaper we can get an equipment cleaning wipe, the better for everyone. Along with that, when we were designing this with the manufacturer, we had the idea of making sure that each wipe was cleanly perforated and wasn't going to leave behind any of the microfibers that you'll find on some of the other wipes out there in the market. One of the other benefits, especially nowadays, is the fact that it's a carbon-based wipe, which means that over time it's going to biodegrade. So definitely a great product, long-term use. If you were interested in grabbing some of the ReadyWipe 2s here, contact your local representative from ReadyCare. Go online at www.readycare.com. We'd be happy to help. And of course, thank you as always.